everyone, this is Ben. Hey, I want to tell you about a really cool product that is made by a company called OutTask. And this right here is a telescopic lantern. Now, it's made for like a tabletop or when you put in your backpack. And this thing is really cool. On a single charge, it'll last 5 hours. It's 700 grams in weight, so it's really light. And it's a 5 watt and 12,000 milliamp hour batteries. Now this right here is the TD1, and it has several different lighting options, a low, a medium, and a high. Now in the low mode, you got 40 lumens, and you can run 65 hours in it. And the medium is 250 lumens, and you can run 17 hours. And then in the high, you have 500 lumens. Now, you have two different types of modes. You have a bright light and then a soft light. And this is great for, like I said, backpacking, a street lamp, table lamp when you're cooking. But I want to thank OutTask for sending me this for a review and testing. And we are here at camp, and I'm going to run this lamp tonight. And this is it right here. When you look at it, it looks like pretty much like a tube, and like I said, it's fairly light. And how to deploy this, there is a button on the bottom, so all you do is push that button and the legs open up, a three-fold like a tripod, just like that. Now the bottom base of the OutTask, these are magnets, so they will stick to any kind of metal surface. So you can mount it on the side, you can mount it upside down, any configuration you want on a metal surface. Or you can hang it, there is the lanyard right there. So you can hang it from your awning, or you can hang it from your rooftop tent. But the cool part of it is this thing right here telescopes. Check that out. I mean, it's pretty tall. It looks like it telescopes about 3 feet. And on the top of the lantern, there is a head, and it swivels just like that. I mean, you can have the light on the top, light on the side, light on the bottom, and you can also swivel it around. Now to turn on the light, all you have to do is press this button here, the power button, and you can see the light turns on. If you want to change the mode, you go ahead and press it again. You go from the low, medium, and then the high. Now this right here is in the white light mode or the bright light mode. And then if you want to change this to a softer light, you go ahead and double tap. And then you can go ahead and come back down to the low mode. Tap it again, you go into the medium, and then you go into the high mode. But this thing's really, really cool. It's great for, like I said, the campsite, tabletop, or at the campsite. Now, if you don't want to have the legs deployed, you can go ahead and push that button in right there, because it's spring-loaded. Okay, and then you can walk around with this as a telescoping lamp as well. Now, this light is perfect for just being around the campsite, dinners around. And I'm gonna use this tonight when we eat dinner. It's perfect. And they also have reflective decals on the bottom, so you know where this is at all times. And they do have a power button right here. And if you hit that power button, it'll give you an indication of LED lights on here. There are 4. So each one represents 25% of the power of the light. And like I said, depending on where you have the light will depend on how many hours that this thing will provide. Like I said, it could be 7 hours, it could be 16 hours, depending on the light mode. Now, if you look right here, if you pull back this rubber cover, you do have a USB and a USB-C where you can charge the light up. And I've charged this up, it was fairly quick. I think less than 2 hours I had this thing charged up. But pretty sturdy. This thing ain't flimsy, it's pretty solid. I like the grip of it. I mean, it's a nice light. Now if you double click it, you go into an SOS or emergency flashing mode. So you will see this thing blink an SOS. You'll have the 3 blinks, the 3 fast, 3 slows. Now this is IPX6, so it is water resistant. I mean, I'm not going to go ahead and throw it into the lake, but it is, if it gets rained on or gets wet, this thing will not malfunction. But OutTask makes this thing in 3 colors. Well, let's turn off this SOS mode. You can get this in a green, you can get this in a gray, and you can get this in a tan. And I think we have a tan one somewhere around here. Let me show you what the tan one looks like. So here we go. This is the tan color, and it's like a flat dark earth. It's built the same way, you know, the tripod with the magnet, but it's just in a different color. Now they do also make this in a army green as well, and then the gray. If you're looking for a great light, a telescoping light, just remember that this is the world's first tripod telescoping lantern, and it has an integrated pole design. It has multiple field usage, and it has a magnetic tripod base. So if you see right here, it is actually pretty sturdy to my fender. Now it also has a 720 degree stereo lighting. You can turn this up, down, left, right, but 720 degrees of lighting. Now along with that, it has a fast charge and a power bank ability. So you can charge your cell phones or any other devices using a USB-C or USB connection. And remember, it's IPX7 and IPX6, so it's waterproof. So if you leave it outdoors and it gets wet from the rain, no problem at all. And it does have a super endurance battery life. And the last feature is that it has an SOS mode. And they also come in various colors, like the one I showed you earlier in the video. It is a tan. They do come in green and gray, and they do make a special black edition. So if you're looking to purchase this light, go to OutTask-TD.com and check it out. Check out the different variations, different colors, and the different uses. If you got any questions on that, pop them in the comment box below, and I'll answer them the best I can. And this light is perfect for your tabletop, or inside of your camper, or inside of your rooftop tent or RV. I really like it. I like it because it's magnetic. I can stick it to anything. So if you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, hit that like button. If you're a first-time viewer, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell notification. And then you'll be notified of all the new videos that we put out. Also, if you want to support the channel, check out our Patreon page at Semper Gumby. And as little as $3 a month, you can get some amazing benefits, but like these folks right here. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for sticking by. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. And I also have some great, exciting news coming up in a week. So until then, this is Ben from Semper Gumby out.